now that we have learned how to send and collect work and you've sent work, you've collected that work. Now you can now mark that work. You say, okay, Talia got it right, or something like that, and you'll be able to give Talia some rewards or whatever thing that you choose to do. So you come here because Talia has gotten the answer right. You'll just highlight Talia. You come to student, and then you come to rewards, and then you can give Talia one more reward. So when you come here, Talia has 5 rewards. If you look here, Talia has 5 rewards that is indicated there. If you add Talia a reward, you come to student, and then you give a reward. You now look here, Talia has now 6 rewards now. So that gives us an opportunity to reward a student when the student has finished the work. Next thing I'm going to show you is how is something about showing menu, and this is appropriate, and this is basically where I want us to see digital literacy program as a program that is not only meant for class 1 students or for class 2 students or for class 3 students. This is totally meant and entirely for the entire school. So I'm going to be able to show you how you can manipulate these resources. You can manipulate these resources to teach other students and other pupils from the other classes. When I come to show menu, I'll be able to show your desktop to all students, show video, show replay, show applications, or exhibit. Now I'm assuming that there is something that I had downloaded from the internet about social studies, about engineering, about just something interesting, and I want to share it with my students. So basically, I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to show my desktop to the students. So when I say show my desktop to the students, what's going to happen is that the students are going to be in a position to see my desktop, and this is what is basically going to happen to the students' desktop. Now the students will be able to see what goes on in my desktop. If I click class assessment, the students will be able to see. Now I can give instructions from here. I can say we can learn now from one page. Class 8, we can learn from one page. You can read together. You can learn how to read storybooks together now. When you're on one page, you can say who is or was the best engineer in the world, Nikola Tesla, Edison, Thomas, or Leonardo da Vinci, something that looks like that. And when you're done doing that, you can just press, you can now escape that, and now you can definitely get back to your net support school tutorial basically, and that's as simple and as clear as we have talked about it. So I believe that up to that point we're able to see that you could, and you can give instructions to your students. You can show students your desktop. Maybe you took a picture out there, you want to show students your desktops, you want to learn about the petals. This is not something that you have to have content for so that you can do. This is something that you can show, and you can show them videos, you can show them replays. That means you can record something in class and then you replay it later on to show them. So basically that is something that you need as an ICT teacher, as an ICT expert, to get to grasp and to have at your fingertips. So I believe that that one is very clear, and you'll be able to understand what goes on there and deliver as much as possible. So within that area, you are able to show your student anything. You can show them, I want you to open class 1, and then you show them, this is how you open class 1, this is what it will show. These are the things that you need to show your students at that point. So basically, I believe that at that point, this is going to be clear, and this is something that you're going to try and understand. And with this, you can also show your student, okay, what did Talia say? Talia said that choice C, which is Leonardo da Vinci, was the best engineer, or is the best ever engineer seen by the surface of this world.